Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Tableau Server Certified Associate course. In this session, we're focusing on one of the most critical topics in any enterprise deployment: security. Let's begin at the top. Site-level security. In Tableau Server, a site is a secure partition where users, content, and permissions are isolated. Sites are commonly used in multi-tenant environments where different departments, clients, or business units require complete separation. Users added to one site can't see content from another unless they're explicitly granted access across both. Site administrators can manage users, roles, and content within their specific site, but cannot access or control other sites unless they also have server admin privileges. Next is the project level. Projects are like folders within a site that help organize content such as workbooks and data sources. Security at the project level defines default permissions for all content stored within the project. For example, you can configure a project to allow a specific group of users to view but not edit dashboards within it. These permissions can be inherited by content inside the project, creating a consistent governance model without having to set permissions on each individual item. Now let's talk about groups. Groups are collections of users who share the same access needs. By assigning permissions at the group level, administrators can manage access efficiently, especially in large environments. For instance, all users in the finance group can be granted viewer access to a project, while analysts might have editing rights. Groups can be manually created in Tableau or synced from an external directory like Active Directory. On the user level, permissions can be customized for individual users when necessary. While group-based permissions are more scalable, user-specific settings are useful when someone needs unique access outside their group's standard role. However, Tableau's best practice is to use user-level permissions sparingly to avoid confusion and maintain simplicity in your governance model. Next is data source level security. When data sources are published to Tableau Server, you can control who can connect to, download, or edit them. This helps ensure that sensitive data isn't exposed to unauthorized users. In addition to access permissions, Tableau also supports row-level security, which restricts what data a user can see based on filters applied at the data source. This means users can all access the same workbook, but see only the data that applies to their role or region. Finally, we have workbook-level security. This includes who can view, interact with, download, or edit a specific dashboard or visualization. Permissions can be applied directly to the workbook and can either inherit from the project or be customized further. You might allow executives to view a workbook, but prevent them from editing it, while analysts may have full access to modify and publish updates. In conclusion, Tableau Server offers a flexible, layered security model that enables administrators to manage access and permissions with precision. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.